Manipur tangdu leitaba puraknaba amadi emergency loishinbagi Khwaidagi Phaba Khutlaidi Chaokhatpani haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana phongdokre wafam asi New Delhi da pangthokiba Niti Aayog ki official sing North Eastern State singi Chief Minister sing amadi Chief Secretary sing yoiba mifam amada mahakna phongdokibani Prime Minister Narendra Modi na India gi awang nongpok lamdamase Growth Engine of India amadi Astalakshmi haina phongdokiba wafam adu palladuna Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai Haukiba chahi khara asida Manipur asi selthumgi phibam Khunai punsi mahing amadi Chaokhatpagi lampida awaba kaya mayoknare adubu Niti Aayogna Northeast amadi Manipur Chaokhat hanbada achauba thaudang lobagi phampak ama oiri maramaduna selthumgi phibam phagathanba ministry singa coordination leihanba amadi international partners singa samna hanbagi thabak sing asida Niti Aayog ki achauba mating ama mathau tari Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai Manipur gi maru oiriba sector singi manungda lambi thong samnahan bahai basisu amani masida chauni investment tauba yamnamak mathau tai Imphal da samnahan naba railway project Imphal ga leibaga sigya topa mafam singa samnahaliba national highway project sing airport terminal pokthok chautok hanbana chingba maru oiba project sing asi thuna loishinbagi tangai fadaba lei amade masigi project sing asina Manipur gi Chaokhatpagi masak asi ahongba puraknabagi achauba machak sing oigani Imphal Ring Road Project, Imphal gi Elevated Highway amadi Imphal More Railway Project sing asida su mateng pangbinaba mahangna taksinki. Act is policy asina Manipur asi Southeast Asia ga India ga samnahanba India gi maruoiba land-based gateway amoi. Cross-border political gi tangdulaita daba amadi atopa mari leinaba khudongcha daba kaya mana project sing asi tasengna thabak oina pangthokpada thinthahanbani. Masigi khudongcha daba sing asi kokhanaba localized disruption singdagi critical cross-border logistics infrastructure ngakthoknaba high-level gi Act Fast Implement Unit ama semgatpiyu. Act is Regional Coordination Cell amasung Northeastern Council ga khusamnaduna awang nongpok stat sing punsinduna border logistic amadi security policy sing chang naina synchronize tawnaba Niti Aayog ta semgatpinaba taksinki. Mahagna makatana hai Manipur da leiriba RIMS amasung Jenims kumba medical college sing ase masak thokna modernization tawba mathau tai Manipur asi medical tourism hub ama ohenbaga loinana Southeast Asia gi anaba sing layingnaba Niti Aayog na Ministry of Health ka coordination pinaduna super speciality tertiary care expansion framework ama Manipur da semgatpada mateng pangba ngamgani Lamdam asi khudongchadaba chingi mafam sing oibana leibaga sigya topa state singa changdamnabada tongan-tonganba central scheme singi chap manaba financial allocation sing asi awang nongpok lamdam amadi Manipur dadi khumang chawsin bawana thokli Awang nongpok stat singda central fund distribution gi chada kundagi kuntra faubagi fiscal premium ama kaithaduna geographical barrier asi thengnanaba terrain weighted cost index matrix ama semgatpada Niti Aayog na mateng pibinaba Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana suggest tawki hairi